Maria had always wanted to learn Spanish. She'd tried apps, textbooks, even a class at the community center, and nothing stuck. Then one night, she typed a single message into ChatGPT. Teach me Spanish like I'm 5 years old, and only give me what I actually need to have a basic conversation. 3 weeks later, she was video calling her husband's grandmother in Puerto Rico, in Spanish. No tutor, no expensive course, just a free AI tool and a little curiosity. What Maria discovered is something millions of people are just starting to figure out. Artificial intelligence, and specifically ChatGPT, has quietly become one of the most powerful personal learning tools ever created. And the best part? It's available to anyone with an internet connection right now, completely free. This isn't about robots or complicated technology. Think of ChatGPT as a patient, knowledgeable friend who never gets tired of your questions, never judges you for not knowing something, and can explain literally anything in a way that makes sense to you personally. We're living through a moment where everyday people, not just tech experts or students, are using AI to learn new skills, advance their careers, and finally understand things that confused them for years. That opportunity is sitting right in front of you. If you want to keep learning how AI can work for you, make sure you're subscribed to Stack Future. We're here every week with practical, no-jargon guidance you can actually use. Here's something nobody tells you when you first open ChatGPT. The way you talk to it completely changes what you get back. Most people type something like, "Explain photosynthesis," and get a wall of text that reads like a textbook. And then they close the tab. That's not a ChatGPT problem. That's a prompting problem. A prompt is just the message you type to the AI. Think of it like placing an order at a restaurant. If you walk in and say, "Give me food," you might get something fine. But if you say, "I want a spicy chicken sandwich with extra pickles and no mayo," you get exactly what you want. The same principle applies to learning with AI. Instead of asking ChatGPT to explain investing, try this. Explain investing to me like I've never heard the word before. Use a simple, everyday analogy and keep it under 5 sentences. You will be amazed at what comes back. Suddenly it might compare investing to planting seeds and waiting for fruit, something that clicks instantly. You can also tell ChatGPT your specific situation. Try typing. I'm a nurse who wants to understand basic coding. Explain variables to me using a medical analogy. ChatGPT will tailor the explanation to your world. That kind of personalized teaching used to cost hundreds of dollars an hour with a private tutor. Now it's free, and it's available at midnight when you actually have time to learn. The single biggest ChatGPT tip for beginners is this. Be specific about who you are, what you already know, and how you want information delivered. Do that, and your learning speed jumps immediately. One of the most underused ChatGPT learning hacks is asking it to create a learning plan just for you. Traditional education gives everyone the same path. You sit in the same classroom, move at the same pace, and cover the same material, whether it's relevant to your life or not. AI doesn't work that way. You can design a learning experience built entirely around your goals, your schedule, and your starting point. Here's exactly what to type. I want to learn basic graphic design so I can create social media posts for my small business. I have about 30 minutes a day, and I'm a complete beginner. Can you build me a 4-week learning plan with specific things to do each day? ChatGPT will give you a structured, week-by-week breakdown. Day 1 might be learning about color theory. Day 2 might be exploring a free tool like Canva. Day 3 might be recreating a post you admire. It turns an overwhelming topic into a clear daily checklist. You can also ask it to fill in gaps as you go. If you hit day 5 and something doesn't make sense, type, "I got confused by the concept of contrast in design. Can you explain that part again using a really simple example?" ChatGPT will circle back, re-explain it a different way, and keep you moving forward. This is what makes AI such a powerful study tool. It adapts to you. It doesn't move on until you're ready. And it never makes you feel silly for asking the same question twice. Think of it as having a personal coach who's infinitely patient and always available. That's not an exaggeration. That's just what this tool actually does. Learning something once doesn't mean it sticks. We've all read a chapter, felt confident, and then blanked on everything a week later. The science behind this is called the forgetting curve. Basically, our brains drop information fast unless we actively revisit it. ChatGPT can fix that problem too. After you learn something with AI, ask it to quiz you. Type something like, "I just learned the basics of budgeting. Can you ask me 5 questions to test whether I actually understood it? Give me 1 question at a time and tell me if I got it right." What happens next is genuinely impressive. ChatGPT becomes your quiz master. It tests your understanding, corrects mistakes gently, and explains why an answer was wrong without making you feel bad about it. This kind of active recall, actually pulling information out of your brain, is one of the most proven methods for retaining knowledge long-term. You can also ask ChatGPT to challenge you at a higher level once you're ready. Try, "I think I understand the basics of investing now. Can you give me a realistic scenario and ask me what I would do and why?" Now you're not just memorizing facts. You're applying knowledge, which is where real learning happens. Another powerful move, ask ChatGPT to give you a 1-paragraph summary of everything you covered in a session. You can copy that, save it somewhere, and review it the next day. 5 minutes of review the following morning does more for long-term memory than an hour of rereading ever will. These aren't complicated techniques. They're simple, practical ChatGPT tips that anyone can use today. No special skills required. One of the biggest myths about learning is that you need big blocks of uninterrupted time. Most of us don't have that. We have commutes, lunch breaks, 10 minutes between meetings, and tired evenings on the couch. The good news is, ChatGPT fits into all of those moments. On your phone, you can ask ChatGPT to explain something while you're eating breakfast. Ask it to give you 1 interesting fact about a topic you're trying to learn, or to summarize a concept in 3 bullet points. Small, consistent touch points add up faster than you think. You can also use ChatGPT to connect new learning to things you're already doing. If you're trying to learn about nutrition and you just made dinner, type, "I made pasta with tomato sauce tonight. Can you tell me something interesting about the nutritional value of tomatoes and how that connects to what we talked about yesterday with antioxidants?" You're weaving learning into life instead of treating it like a separate chore. Another idea. Use ChatGPT to explain things you encounter in the real world. Read a confusing news article, paste it in and say, "Can you explain this in plain English?" Hear a term at work you didn't understand? Ask ChatGPT. Your whole life becomes a classroom, and the teacher is always on call. This is what self-learning with AI actually looks like in practice. It's not sitting at a desk for 2 hours. It's weaving curiosity into the spaces that already exist in your day. That's how people are learning faster in 2025. Not by finding more time, but by using AI to make the time they have count. The most important thing to take away from everything we covered today is this. ChatGPT doesn't just give you information. It gives you a learning experience built around you, your life, and your goals. You don't need a fancy degree, a big budget, or hours of free time to start learning something new. You need a curious question, a specific prompt, and a willingness to keep going. That's it. Maria figured that out in 3 weeks. You can start today. Be specific when you ask. Build a plan that fits your life. Test yourself so things actually stick. And bring your learning into the everyday moments you already